Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we have a problem find duplicate rows using ProcSQL. We have one table called employee, and in that employee table we have name, department, salary. If we closely analyze this data, then this row number 1, row number 3 and row number 5 are duplicate, and this row number 2 and this row number 6 are duplicate. So our task is to find the duplicate rows, and we want output like this. So from this employee table, we want an output like this, because John IT salary 60,000 is duplicate and Mary HR salary 55,000 is duplicate in this employee table. So we want this output in our final result. So first, let's try to look into the approach on how we can solve this problem. We have this table employee and we have these values in employee table. If we see this John IT salary 60,000, this particular data is duplicate in 3 rows. So we can say that its count is 3. Again, if we see Mary HR salary 55,000, this is coming twice. So we can say that its count is 2. And for the other rows, Alice finance 75,000 and Bob marketing 50,000. These other records are coming only single time. That is why their count is 1. Now, to get our final result, can we say that we need all the records where count is greater than 1? Correct? So, in this particular table, count is greater than 1 is for 2 records, that is this one and this one. And these 2 rows we need in our final result. So let's now jump into the SAS and let's see how we can solve this. We have a dataset employee and variables name, department, salary, and we have some data. To solve this problem, you can use ProcSQL. And we can write query select star comma count of star from employee group by name comma department comma salary. So in this particular query, we are trying to group by this particular data using name, department, salary. That means if we can see these 3 rows, name, department and salary, for these 3 rows are duplicate. So that is why we are grouping them using name, department and salary, and we are taking its count. So let's run this code. If you can see, for this John IT salary 60,000, this count is 3. Whereas for this Mary HR salary 55,000, count is 4. If we look into our data, is this Mary HR salary 55,000 is coming 4 times. That is why its count is 4. Now we can say that from this table, if we filter out this table where this particular count is greater than 1, then this will be our final result. So let's see how we can do this. Instead of writing this count here, we can directly use this in having clause having count of star greater than 1. So let's run this query. So if you can see, we have now John IT salary 60,000 and Mary HR salary 50,000. This is the desired result that we want. So this is one of the way to solve this problem. To get more SAS related videos and contents, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.